In this video, I will show you how to silence unknown callers on WhatsApp. If you are receiving calls from unknown numbers, then WhatsApp has a built-in feature that allows you to mute these calls while still keeping track of them. So first of all, open the WhatsApp application. On the home screen, your chats and groups are listed. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Tap on the settings option. WhatsApp settings will open. Different options are available here. Look for the privacy option and tap on it. Privacy settings will open. To change the call related settings, scroll down and tap on the calls option. Here you will see an option of silence unknown callers. It is disabled by default. Tap on the toggle button in front of the silence unknown callers option to activate it. Once it's done, calls from unknown numbers will no longer ring on your device. However, they will still appear in the calls tab and in your notifications. This ensures that you can review missed calls later and respond if needed. And this is how you can silence unknown callers on WhatsApp.